Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send multiple photos and videos with a message to your Instagram group chat right from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing your favorite moments with friends has never been easier. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send multiple media files, along with a text message in your group chat, using the Instagram app on your computer. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a speech bubble. That's your Messages icon. Now, scroll through your conversations and find the group chat where you want to share your photos and videos. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the bottom of the chat, right where you normally type your messages, you'll see a small photo icon. Click on that photo icon to start adding your media. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the photo or video you want to send first. Select your file and click Open. But don't hit send just yet. With the new update, you can now add more photos or videos before sending. Look for the option that says Upload another photo, video. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose more files from your computer. Repeat this step until you've selected all the photos and videos you want to share with your group. Once you've picked out your media, it's time to add your message. Type your comment or caption in the message bar, just like you would on your phone. When you're ready, click Send. That's it. All your selected photos and videos, along with your message, will be delivered to your group chat in one go. It's a quick and easy way to keep everyone updated and share memories together, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try out this new feature on your next group chat.